nakikita natin yung malapit dito, yung MOA, yung Mall of Asia Arena. Now, that has several meters also of floor-to-ceiling distance, di ba? Pang-basketball po yun. And yet, the cost per square meter there is something like 30,000 or 40,000.
Your Honor, may I explain the
Yes,
difference between government procurement and private sector procurement? Just going to the particular item on electromechanical, elevators, air conditioning, escalator. We, the government, will estimate based on market. But if MegaWorld or SM will, for example, procure that with all of the procurement that they do in all of their other buildings, they can definitely bring down the cost of these major items to easily 25%.
I agree.
Okay. Now, if you consider also the volume of cement and even steel bars that their contractors use, then again, you could easily bring that down. Now, unfortunately,
So therefore, as a rule of thumb, you're saying, just as a
they
rule of
can
thumb.
easily break down our cost by 15%.
Okay, so 50 or 15?
15.
15
to 20%.
So I will take the cost of Mall of Asia, whatever it is, 30 to 40,000. I'll just add 15%. Kung gusto mo, 20%. And that should be a more apples and apples comparison with the Iloilo Convention Center. Is that what you're saying?
Well, it's going to be pretty close.
Okay.